Made $350 in 7 days, that is 1 week, using my WhatsApp status. When I'm talking about WhatsApp status, I mean that real WhatsApp that you use to message. So for me, I used WhatsApp status. I know I'm talking to somebody who is using WhatsApp status in something else. Maybe you're posting your services, you're posting your products, or you're posting stories and your lifestyle. Today, I'm going to show you how I used my WhatsApp status, I mean messaging app, the WhatsApp status, to make $350 in 7 days. Let's say you might not get $350 in 7 days. Let's break it down and say let's target to make $5 per day. When we are talking about $5 per day in Ugandan currency, it is around 36,000. In dirhams, it will be something like $40 dirhams or 30 something dirhams. Rather, in Uganda, it will be 36,000 shillings. Now, how do you use your WhatsApp status? For me, how I used my WhatsApp status, by the way, I was reminded by a customer who supported me so much, a customer from Kenya, about my WhatsApp status. She was like, hey, that was last week. Christine, what about the things I used to see on WhatsApp status? You stopped the business? Then I was like, come on. Then I remembered the amount of money I made. Today, I'm going to push you, or I'm going to show you the light on how you can use your WhatsApp status to make money at the comfort of your home, whether you have Android, whether you have iPhone, provided it has a WhatsApp. When we are talking about WhatsApp, I want you to go to your phone, open WhatsApp. When you open WhatsApp like this, you go down on on your WhatsApp, you will see updates. These updates, when you scroll, you will see the statuses of yours is here, it's the first, like the way you can see mine here. Then when you scroll like this, you're going to see different kinds of what people have posted on their status. So today, I want you to change the mindset over what do you post on your WhatsApp status. Let me show you like one of the biggest person that I love and I've been following or been together, what he puts on his status. This is a citizen Oluwatosin. He has put what he does. He's calling out Nigerians. He's an activist by the and the biggest blogger. This is what he put. Let's see Christine, which is me. That is my official WhatsApp status. This is what I put. YouTube, and I'm putting what I do, my links of the different platforms as far as YouTube is concerned. Then there is this cafeteria. This is the cafeteria that I always go to and buy my things. They put snack me, they put all kinds of things. Then let's see another person. Let's look for one person now. Let me look for Karen. This is Karen, one of my girl. So she puts her travels. Wow, she put courage times, that is about the products and other things. So let's come back. Good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. I'm going to be sharing with you how I used my status to make $350 in 7 days. Now for you, I want you to be stationed and we see how can you use your WhatsApp status to get $5 in a day. One, I want you to be really focused, consistent as far as what we're going to discuss on the about the status is concerned. Secondly, you might have a product, a service, or you might not have them as in physical. You might not have them in your inventory, but you can be having these products and services outside. Thirdly, you might have them in form of links, as far as YouTube, as far as your social media platforms where you monetize, or affiliate links. So let's dive in and see what I did. What did I sell, by the way? I sold products. That's why I got $350 without talking about the amount of money I get from YouTube, Facebook, when I've posted on my WhatsApp status. What is the motive? I want you to know that whatever you see on your smartphone is money. So I want you to go to your WhatsApp status and see what you posted there. If you find that it cannot give you value as far as finance is concerned, please remove it. Now, I posted different kind of products, and these products I posted were not in my custody. However, right now I have them in my inventory and in my store. So what I would do, whenever I go somewhere and I get sale, I get their exclusive sales, their high discounted things, I used to buy them. Some of them I used to buy them, some of them I used to take photos. Now, I want you to do this. You might not be having that cash to buy things and keep them without knowing who's going to buy them tomorrow. I want you to go to any place where they sell products, whether are they discounted or they are not discounted. And these products should be products of your choice, of your passions, the one you love. Me, I posted comforters, duvets, and these duvets were costing each of it. I bought them at less than $4. I bought them at less than $4, and I sold them at above $20 per each. How many did I buy? Ask me. I bought 20 of them. I also took photos for different products in that shop. I did not buy. So something like cutlery sets, something like cushions, something like napkins, all of them, including the tableware. When I'm talking about tableware, I'm talking about cups. If you go to Facebook, you're going to check Secret Collection. Secret Collection, that is the platform that we're using by then, before Immaculate Shop. I put them there. You'll find them all there. So every shop I would pass, where I would pass and I love that item, I would take a photo and put on my status. Whenever someone looks at my status and loves it, would send me a message. And when they send me a message, I go and pick that product, I pay that product, I go and deliver. Where was I? I was based in United Arab Emirates, where everything we consider things to be very cheap and accessible, unlike other places. But mind you, don't put assumptions here on your face. There are some things that you have access to and other people cannot access them. Do you know there are some people that have not seen that very nice cozy serving tray, and it is in your locality? Maybe it is in that shop nearby you. Go and take a photo, put it on your status. What does it cost? It costs you nothing to take only a photo. If they are selling it $10, put $12 and put a condition down: free delivery for people around your locality, but extra charges for people far or in this community. This is what I did. I had my driver, so the moment they would click on something, they say we want this, I go and pay it. If it is not in my store, I pay it and I give the driver, they deliver them. Do you only post things that are around you? No. You can also post things that are online. Online, something like on Amazon, on Shein. There's someone in Uganda who cannot access Shein products. Shein products, you can check our YouTube channel, the second YouTube channel on Vibe with the Mac. I posted this product. Most people have been asking me, how come your face looks cool? And this product, Vaseline Grotain, this one is like 10 times stronger than vitamin C, the one we swallow as supplement. I posted this. So what I did, I go and buy from Shein. I tell people, please, can you send the money? If it is 200, I make 300. And I tell them you are going to pay for the delivery. I get them. So what am I trying to tell you? That your WhatsApp status can make any amount of money that you want. From today, I want you to go and check what you post on WhatsApp status and revert it. The only thing, the pro tip I give you, don't post 1,000 products. I've seen most of you get that error. You put 1,000 products. I want you to put yourself in someone's shoes who's going to see your WhatsApp status. Let what you put first attract to a second, and don't put more than 5 products. You guys, you can make money using WhatsApp status. And if you want to know more, you can join my masterclass by clicking on our SMS. DM us. Thank you very much.